I swear, I just have to swear, I cannot prove it, but there's zero trickery involved in this. Solar panel 1, solar panel 2, these are in series. Solar panel 3 is standalone, 2 controllers. Step down to 12 volt, no LiPos, no nothing. No LiPos in the front. A long cable leading to my drone. Where do I put you? So, and if I run in front of the panels, 1 is fine. If I run in front of 2, it's over. Thrust to take the GoPro. That seems to be too much. We are barely in range. Yeah, it works without GoPro, but with GoPro it's not enough thrust.